this actually impacted me, so I really wanted to share it with others. So we had a conversation early on in my healthcare CIO tenure, and you said that you bring in, you take your team out and you bring in people from outside of the healthcare industry to have discussions around strategy, trends, and technology. Can you give us an idea of what you did, why you did it, and what benefit was derived by your team in the health system by interacting with organizations outside of healthcare?
Yeah, of course. So I think I first learned this technique when I started to be on a couple of boards for organizations. And instead of being a bunch of healthcare CIOs, there was a CIO from Kellogg's, there was a CIO from Colgate and Wrigley's. And I remember just learning a lot from them and different perspectives. I thought, wow, I want to hang out with that person. And not just myself, I want my team to hang out with that person. So then we started doing that. So once a year, I'd pick a different company and we would meet with those companies. I'll give you one example, Pure One. So Pure One was really good at data analytics. They had this amazing performance in revenue. And when I asked about how they went from a penny stock to a very successful company, it was all around analytics. And so we met with them and talked to analytics. We were about to launch a big BI analytics endeavor at my organization then, and we learned so much from them. And one thing was they watermarked all their reports, whether they were online or hard copy. They were watermarks. So the CEO and everyone knew that you can trust that data that came with that watermark because it was part of their BI program, as opposed to someone else creating a spreadsheet, giving out data. You don't know if it's accurate or not, but this meant was accurate. So that's what we started to do. So you knew when you got this report that it had our watermark on it, you knew you could trust that source of information. So that helped with our credibility and the standardization and the going from many different data sources to one. So that's one example. So we do it all the time, and we've got it some planned here as well.
Yeah, that was, thanks for sharing that with me. That was very powerful.